Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ZipRealty marketing beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring ZipRealty marketing, start by logging into your ZipRealty account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the marketing section in the main menu. Click on marketing to access the marketing tools and options available to you. You will see various marketing strategies listed. Select the strategy that best fits your business needs. For example, you may choose email campaigns if you want to reach customers via email. After selecting a strategy, click on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, you will find personalization options. Fill in your company information, including your logo and contact details. Once you have entered the information, click Save. Next, head to the Templates section to customize your marketing templates. Select a template you would like to customize. Use the editing tools to modify text, images, and colors. Make sure the template aligns with your branding. After making the changes, save the template. Now, it's time to set up a campaign. Return to the marketing menu and select Create New Campaign. Choose the type of campaign you wish to launch. Follow the guided steps to configure your campaign's goals, audience, and budget. Once you have configured all settings, review everything carefully. When you are satisfied, click Launch Campaign. Monitor your campaign's performance under the Analytics section. Review key metrics to see how your marketing efforts are doing. With these steps complete, you are now ready to effectively use ZipRealty marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.